Hi, Chris here, and I'm a WarriorPlus super affiliate and digital product vendor, and I'm currently making commissions with WarriorPlus both as a product owner and also a super affiliate, and I'm doing it right now in 2021 with some brand new tactics that you might not know about. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 7 tactics that I use to make daily commissions and sales with WarriorPlus right now. But before we get started, if you want to sell your own digital product on WarriorPlus, then be sure to hit the link in the description for access to my Remixable software. Remixable lets you resell, white label and earn 100% commissions by reselling the exact same software that I'm currently selling on WarriorPlus. It really is the easiest way to sell your own digital product without any of the usual headaches. So with all that being said, let's get into it. We'll start with my top tricks for WarriorPlus affiliates in 2021 and then move on to some advanced and more profitable tactics for WarriorPlus vendors. So here goes. Tip number 1, use MunchEye. To understand what makes WarriorPlus unique, let's compare it with another popular affiliate network for digital products, ClickBank. Now if you head over to the ClickBank marketplace, you'll see that most of the products on there are evergreen. In other words, they're available for sale year-round. You can see what I mean by looking at the similar web traffic for one of the top-selling products on ClickBank. As you can see, affiliates drive consistent traffic to this digital product day in, day out. WarriorPlus, however, is different. It's heavily focused on new product launches, which means that these products launch today, or hundreds of affiliates will promote them, and then the offer gets closed down within a week or even a few days. That means that as an affiliate, you have a short window to promote these offers. So, where do you find these WarriorPlus product launches before they launch and before other affiliates take all the commissions? Well, that's where MunchEye comes in. MunchEye is a launch calendar site that lists all the marketing product launches over the next few weeks. You can click on any of the descriptions to visit the affiliate JV page and then sign up and register as an affiliate. And I'll put a link to MunchEye in the description, so be sure to check that out. Now, I personally check MunchEye once per week and then add the launches I'm going to promote to my Google Calendar for that week. This preparation and attention to MunchEye is a key reason that I'm able to keep my WarriorPlus affiliate commission so consistent. Tip number 2, getting approved on WarriorPlus. One issue with trying to make money as a WarriorPlus affiliate is actually getting approved, which you need to do to actually even promote any kind of offers. That's because until you have sales, many product owners won't approve you. And this becomes kind of a catch-22 because you can't get sales because affiliates won't approve you, and you can't get approved because you don't have any sales. See, with WarriorPlus, you're assigned a kind of trust score out of 100, which is based on sales, conversion rates, and refunds. This score appears in big letters right next to your affiliate request, and if your score is low or non-existent, then not every vendor will approve your affiliate request. The only way out of this catch-22 is to go for approval on multiple offers from different vendors and see which ones do actually approve you. Some will approve anyone irrespective of their score, while others are much more picky. Then, once you get sales on the offers you are approved on and your WarriorPlus score improves, you can then increase the number of offers you run on. You'll see lots of people complain about this issue, but the truth is, if you just head over to the WarriorPlus offers page and simply click request next to a few offers, even complete beginners will be approved on some of them. Then, once you make some sales with the methods I'm about to show you, you can return to get approved on all of the others. Tip 3, considering promoting WarriorPlus offers with Bing traffic. Now that you're approved on at least one WarriorPlus offer, you'll want to promote your WarriorPlus affiliate link. And the next question is how? Well, one underrated WarriorPlus traffic tactic is to run ads on Bing, the search engine owned by Microsoft. In particular, traffic for keywords like product name or product name review convert extremely well. Now, my commission avalanche software includes training on Bing ads, along with a website building software for creating affiliate landing pages, which are perfect for these types of keywords. So check out the link in the description for my commission avalanche training video, which explains the core method of targeting Bing ads with WarriorPlus affiliate links. And if you do like that explainer video, which is in the description, you can then click through and visit the avalanche site itself. Tip number 4, try WarriorPlus software before you buy. Now, if you're trying to make affiliate commissions, chances are you've also bought at least one software product from WarriorPlus, but not every WarriorPlus sales page goes into enough detail about what the product actually does before you go ahead and buy. And that's where the JV doc comes in. See, any time that a new product launches, head over to MunchEye and click through to the JV affiliate page of the offer. And what you're looking for is the JV doc. This JV doc often contains a demo video of the product in question. In fact, some of them even contain completely free demo access to the tool, letting you actually try the product before you buy. And of course, this type of access is also very useful for creating video reviews for any affiliate promotions that you do. Now, if you do want to make money as a WarriorPlus affiliate, be sure to hit the description link for a blog post I created on this exact topic along with 7 free softwares. But now it's time to turn our attention to the other side of the coin, being a WarriorPlus vendor, i.e. actually selling our own digital product on Warrior. Now, having your own digital product is the most profitable method I've ever come across online, and I've just released my remixable software which lets you resell and even white label all of the software tools that I'm currently selling on WarriorPlus in 2021. Including multiple deal of the day products and products that have sold well over 100,000 units. So if you want to sell your own digital product on WarriorPlus, then hit the link in the description to get a $1 trial to Remixable. Now let's look at some of the secret tips for vendors who want to sell their own digital products on WarriorPlus. Tip number 5, let WarriorPlus build your affiliate list for you. Selling on Warrior is all about access to the affiliate network. It's the affiliates who send your website traffic, build your buyers list, and make your product sales. But one issue that all vendors have when starting out is recruiting new affiliates. Now you should of course list your offer on MunchEye like I've already mentioned, which will bring you some affiliates and traffic. But for the WarriorPlus product owner, WarriorPlus itself is of course the main place to recruit affiliates. In particular, I recommend you consider running an ad on their offers page. Now these ads cost about $100 per day, which may sound pricey, but in my experience they typically bring in well over 100 new affiliates per day. Now that's less than $1 per lead, and remember these are active WarriorPlus affiliates and buyers using their legitimate main email, which in my opinion makes this a no-brainer. And here's the clever part. With WarriorPlus, you can connect your autoresponder to your WarriorPlus account, so anyone approved as an affiliate is also automatically added to your email list. And since these affiliates are also potential buyers, this lets you build your list at the same time as building your affiliate network. I'll put a direct link to the WarriorPlus ads page below this video in the description, along with a detailed blog post I wrote about why you want to build your list if you're not familiar with the topic of list building. Tip number 6, auto-ping your WarriorPlus super affiliates. Congratulations, you're now selling your digital product on WarriorPlus and building a huge collection of affiliates. But not all affiliates are created equal, and you will want to pay particular attention to any super affiliates who can send your offers well over $1,000 per day worth of sales. So here's how to find them and reach out to them with what I call the secret ping. Now if you log into WarriorPlus and head over to your affiliates page, then click on current affiliates, you can see all of the affiliates who you've previously approved. Now if you arrange by score, you'll now see a breakdown of all the top affiliates who are approved to promote your offers arranged by score, which is basically going to rank the top affiliates first. Now bear in mind that Warrior will auto approve the highest top scoring affiliates, so you may well miss them because you didn't approve them. That is, unless you look on this page. Now here's my advanced ping trick. What I like to do is to go to the offer settings and increase the commission of any of these affiliates, for example from 50% all the way up to 60, 70, 80, even in some cases 100%. Now here's the important bit. This change will send them an automated email warning telling them that their commissions have been changed, and it's kind of worded in a very aggressive, scary way, almost like an official warning. So it definitely gets their attention. Then they open the email and see that actually you've increased their commission, which of course makes them happy. Then around the same time you can send them a personalized email, because remember, you got their email because you're collecting their information onto your autoresponder, as I discussed in tip 4. And this tactic gets a huge response even from the very biggest affiliates, making them much more likely to reply back and then promote you. Tip number 7, model off the top performing offers. Now fundamentally, the way to sell the most as a WarriorPlus product owner is by having an offer that converts like crazy. After all, affiliates will promote you like crazy if it makes them commissions like crazy. And the best way to guarantee that is by modeling your offer off of the top performing offers that are already selling in the marketplace. Now, the WarriorPlus offers page actually breaks down the top selling offers, so you can easily look at what's converting right now. You can even check out the launch leaderboards for offers that you've modeled off yourself, and then ask the same top affiliates who made sales for those particular offers on the leaderboards to now go ahead and promote yours. Now, copying and remixing what works is one of the most fundamental principles for any marketer, not just affiliates and digital products owners. And that's why I built my Remixable software, because Remixable lets you remix other people's websites so that you're starting with a proven template when it comes to your websites and products. In fact, Remixable gives you resale rights to and lets you white label over 35 of my top selling software tools, which have made me over 6 figures as a digital product seller on WarriorPlus, JVZoo and ClickBank. It really is the fastest way to become a digital product vendor on WarriorPlus or any other platform, and take it from me, someone who's both a WarriorPlus digital product owner and an affiliate. Having your own product is far more profitable than being just an affiliate, and it also lets you build your own customer list, generate your own traffic on tap, and make passive income. So if you want to check out Remixable, hit the link in the description and start earning 100% commission selling over 30 of my top selling software tools. Remixable lets you build instant sales pages, remix other people's proven websites, steal my copy templates, create logos, e-covers, get buyer traffic, and so much more. So just hit the link in the description for that $1 trial to Remixable. Okay, I think that covers it for this video. I hope these tactics and tips make you some WarriorPlus sales and commissions just like they've done for me. Okay, thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that link in the description to get the Remixable software and everything else that I've talked about today.